Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer Toncoin from Bitget wallet to Telegram wallet. This tutorial is quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into. Now to transfer Toncoin to Telegram wallet, it's really easy. You want to go to your Bitget wallet on the wallet button, and after that you want to click send option. And now you want to search for Toncoin, of course, click on it. Now, as you can see, the network is Ton, and all you need now is receiving address. So you want to go to your Telegram wallet. Now, once you opened up your Telegram wallet, you want to go ahead and go to, for example, your assets and click on Toncoin and click receive option. And after that, you will see here an address, which you want to go ahead and copy and go back to your Bitget wallet. From here, you want to go ahead and paste the address. And here, once you will enter it, now you need to go ahead and enter the amount of ton you want to transfer. And also there's an option for a memo, but it's not required if you are sending it to Telegram wallet. So memo is definitely not required because Telegram doesn't really have one. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you transfer ton from Bitget wallet to the Telegram. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.